Perez. Welcome to Real French Food. Today I'm actually going to talk to you about the French lifestyle. What is it? Why am I talking about all this stuff? What about everything that I cook is good for you? Well, it's all about balance. There are a few steps that you can put in place to adopt the French lifestyle and actually lose a little bit of weight. The very first thing before you do anything at all is always consult your doctor. Make sure that you talk to your doctor and that you have the right regimen in place for you. Not everything that anyone does is for everyone, but this might be for you, but talk to your doctor about it first. The next thing you have to keep in mind is keep everything in moderation. Don't eat a lot of any one thing or a little bit of any one thing. You really want to have everything in proportion. So it's a good balance of fat, a good balance of carbohydrates, and a good balance of your fruits and vegetables that really give you all the nutrients you need to run every day. The next thing you need to do is throw out all of those processed foods. Let go of those hot dogs, get rid of that American cheese, all of those things that have those nasty ingredients in them that you can't pronounce. They are not real food and it's not good for your body. Natural ingredients, some cheeses, nice piece of chicken, some nice proteins, some really healthy carbohydrates, potatoes, whole wheat. Those are the ingredients that you need in your life, not hot dogs. Enjoy the hot dog, the one game you go to, have a good baseball game, but don't have it any other time. And the last thing you need to do is take your time. Enjoy. Sit around the table with your family and have a conversation. Slow down when you eat. The faster you eat, the more you eat, and then you'll end up feeling overfull. You don't want that. You want to just enjoy everything that you eat and every single bite. I'm making food that tastes good. Enjoy it. And I hope that you enjoy it at home and adopt the French lifestyle, and hopefully you'll lose weight in the process. Don't forget to move and watch those other videos to get a strong, good fit body.